Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. If today is your very first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and join us here. Thank you for doing so. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for loving my videos. Lovely, I brought you the super delicious peppered meat. I'm going to prepare it that it will give Asun vibe. If you're craving Asun and goat meat is not available, use this recipe. The process is so simple, so direct, and the result is amazing. Goat meat is not available where I am right now, but I prepared it with this method and everyone loved it. Let's get it started. What I have here in this pot are my well-washed beef and tripe. So I'm going to add some salt into it, and I'm going to add seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. You can use Maggi, you can use Knorr. All right, so I added seasoning into it, and I'm going to add some thyme into it. I'll be adding a little bit of diced garlic. Yes, lovely. I'll be adding onions. If you are using goat's meat, you don't need more than your salt, your seasoning, of course onions into it. But you guys know I'll be using beef because goat meat is not available, but I added garlic to boost the flavor, and it's also healthy. Why not? So lovely, I gave it a gentle stir. I'm now just going to cover it and allow it to boil in its own juice for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I opened it. You can see it has produced its own juice and started cooking in it. So all the ingredients added into it have already really entered into the meat. So at this stage, I'm going to add some water and I'm going to cover it and boil till 90% done. Yes, 90%. While that is cooking, I'm going to pour my Habanero Pepper atarodo. Is that onions and bell pepper? Lovely. You don't need tomatoes. All right, okay, so I added some water for easy blending and I blended it roughly. Look at it. Let me take a spoon and show it to you properly. Can you see what I have here? Good. So let's go back to the meat. At this stage, the meat is 95% done. All I need to do now is to get my sieve, take all the meat out of the meat stock, and get my hair fryer ready. I'll hair fry it under 200 centigrade for about 5 to 7 minutes. If you don't have air fryer, you can just use your oven or you fry it. Okay, so this is ready. They are too big in sizes, so I'm now going to cut them to my desired sizes. Okay, so look at how they look. I've started eating it like this. It tastes really yummy. I poured some vegetable oil into a pot, heat it up, and I poured in the roughly blended pepper mix, the habanero, bell pepper, and onions that were blended roughly. I remained some around, let me say, 2 tablespoonfuls of the roughly blended for later use. So I added seasoning into this. I'm going to add some salt into it, and I'm just going to give it a gentle stir together. I'll allow it to fry until it gives the fried pepper vibe. After 7 minutes, this is what I have. So I'm now going to pour in the meat. You can see how it looks lovely. The aroma I'm having here is yummy, nothing but yummy. So I gave them a very good mix. I combined them well together. After that, I also garnished it with the remaining pepper mix and sliced onions. You can dice it doesn't matter. So I gave it a very good mix for them to combine well. After that, I covered it and allowed it to simmer together for 5 minutes. Tra-la-la, loveless. You need to be here. The aroma here is everything. Lovelies, this tastes super delicious. Voila. Can you see what I have? Enjoy this with your favorite drink or with any kind of food you can combine it with. Thanks for watching.